Today we are going to start AI programming in Python. If you want to know AI programming in Python, first we should know the basic idea of the Python programming. So the week one, I'm going to show the Python basics, Python foundations. So here we are focusing on the data handling in Python programming. So here I have first I'm going to show you the variables and data type. Normally, in all the computer language, we are handling the data. So we have two type of data. One is variable, another one is constant. So constant, the value is fixed one. The variable, the value can vary during the program execution. Let us start a small sample program. How do we do in Python? So if you install Python already, you can just type Python. You will see the Python version, the latest. Usually in Python program, if you want to print something, type my first Python code. If you know this, you will get the answer of this. So whatever you are doing, you want to print, you can use this print options. As I told earlier, all programming language handle with the datas. The datas can be divided into two types. One is variable, another one is constant. Let us say I say the print number 34. So you will get 34. This is the answer. Suppose when I say print A, I will get error message because the A is the variable which is not defined. So let us say the same 34 and I print again B. So now I don't get error message because I have assigned the value for the A. So this is called variable. So as a programmer, you must know what is variable and what is constant. The constant cannot be changed, the variable can be changed. Suppose I say print a plus a, you may get answer like this. So until you change the a value, it always take as a 34. Suppose I say a plus 45, I say that again you will get answer 34 plus 45, it is 79. Now the a value always just one is 79 only. It won't take the previous value. So once you rewrite it, it take as a previous value only. So that is called data type. The data type can be a numeric, can be a float, or boolean, or character type. If you want to know the data type of this one, let us say type of a, the message is integer. Suppose I say the name, I say the type of the name, this is called string. Suppose I say the age, this is boolean type. So as a programmer, you should handle the variable in a proper way. Next we move on to the next data type called list and dictionaries. What is list and what is dictionary? The list is the ordered collection of data. The dictionary is the key value that you can fix for the value. Let us say, suppose I have a list of students, student 1, 2, student 3. This is called list. So when I say list 1, so there's mirror, so you may see the answer for this one. Suppose I want to get the first student of the list. I say that I can see the one. So the list always start with 0, R and 2. So if you want to change this one, you can change by the list. Thank you for this watching. In the next class, we will go in depth in the data type for AI program.